All right, everyone, welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my microphone test video for the Bluripp Sleepals Mini Bluetooth Earbuds. So, in today's video, I'm going to test out the microphones on these earbuds in two audio scenarios. Okay, the first scenario is going to be, as you guys and gals can see and hear here, an ideal or close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it. And then the second audio sample or test is going to be a simulated crowdy or noisy environment test. So without further ado, I hope everyone finds this video helpful, and let's begin. So as I said, the first test and how you guys and gals have been hearing the audio so far has been in the ideal or as close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it. So this is what the earbuds sound like here, and the microphones for these earbuds sound like here. Okay? Hopefully this sounds good. I won't know what it sounds like until I watch the video back in post. All right? Now let's go ahead and push play on the crowd noise I have pulled up on my TV in the background connected to my Roku. Now for reference, I have my TV volume set to about 18%, and let's go ahead and push play. I'm going to let it play for about a few seconds. Then I'm going to continue to talk at my natural volume and my natural cadence. And let's see how these microphones perform. So let's go ahead and push play right now. Let this play for a little bit. Okay. Now I'm just going to continue to talk at my natural volume, at my natural cadence. And this is an example of how the Bluripp Sleepals Mini Bluetooth earbuds perform in a simulated cloudy or noisy environment. Hopefully, the microphones from these earbuds are doing a great job. Again, I won't know until I watch the video back in post. Okay, let's go ahead and pause the crowd noise now. All right, everyone, and that essentially does it for today's video. Now, real quickly before I get up out of here, I just want to show and tell you guys how I have everything set up. So recording the video here today, we are using a combination of the front and the rear facing cameras on the iPhone 15 Plus. Today's video is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS, and we do have Bluetooth audio connected up, and we are using the Blackmagic camera application. So let me go ahead and throw some B-roll up on the screen now so you guys and gals can see exactly how I set this up. So as you can see, first things first, I just verified that the earbuds was connected to my iPhone 15 Plus. Okay. Then I jumped into the Blackmagic camera application. Then I went into the settings and I just verified that the input source and the output source were set to the Bluripp Sleepals Mini Bluetooth earbuds. Then I went ahead and turned on the audio monitor inside the Blackmagic camera application. This way I can get live feedback of the audio that the microphones on the Sleepal Mini earbuds are picking up. This way I can see it on the screen. Then I went ahead and set my volume on the TV. And this is also a verification indicator that you guys and gals can see. I am using crowd noise from YouTube, and I did set the volume to 18%. After that, I just spun the cameras around to use the front facing camera, and I pushed record, and that's how I set up and record today's video. So with that being said, I hope you guys and gals again enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you guys and gals would like to see more coverage on these earbuds, or you would like to see more coverage in general, please also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when new videos go live on the channel. And with that being said, if this video piqued your interest and you guys and gals would like to know where you can pick up these earbuds for yourself, at some really great prices, and also help support the channel. I'll have all of my affiliate buy links as to where you guys and gals can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices. And as the name implies, if you guys and gals make your purchase using those affiliate buy links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So the video description down below will truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Also, let me know how you guys and gals feel the audio from these earbuds perform. Let me know what you guys and gals think of the overall video quality as well, coming off of the front and the rear facing cameras on the iPhone 15 Plus. And as always, keep your feedback respectful, please. I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. All right.